welcome to the channel, Slow Foods Kitchen here, and today we're going to talk about dehydration, using dehydrators to dry food, and why they might not be working in a high humid climate like we are here in Florida. So we ran into that problem. We bought this nice dehydrator. It's Harvest Saver. Look here, it dries 14 trays at a time. But you know what? The first summer that we had it, couldn't take enough water out quick enough, and we had to throw a whole dryer full of product away. And wow, what's the problem? So when the salesman first said, well, here in Florida, it's too much water in there, I thought it was silly, but we bought a General Electric dehumidifier. This unit will pull out 2 gallons of water in 24 hours, and it does exactly that. And we actually run 4 of them, and we empty all of them every day. So we're getting at least 8 gallons of water just out of the day in our 1,000 square foot facility here. So let's see what it does. You pull out this bucket, and as you can see, it's full of water. There you go. And since we run on solar power here, if we ever have a problem with a hurricane and we need water, we've always got water. We just need it right out of the air. Isn't that cool? So now we'll take this water, I'll take it out to the garden. I'm going to water my green beans and my tomatoes with it. So that's the secret, or if that's the answer to your problem, why your dehydrator isn't drying well in a high humid climate. Get some dehydrators. Oh, and get them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Don't pay full price. They're all over the place. Hope that helps you. Good luck in your dehydrating. Let's go water some plants. Here we go.